you going? Welcome to another beautiful day here in Perth. Alright, using up a lot of energy riding around our pushies. I think we're going to need to make some biscuits. And I've got a really great recipe for New York style biscuits. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, have a good one.
Have you got sausages? I like sausages.
A little cookie pie. What do you like about it?
You just cooked it.
I just cooked it. But what do you like about the cookie? Is it tasty?
Yeah.
What can you taste?
You can taste chocolate.
Yeah. What else? Can you taste anything else?
What's the brown bit called?
The round bit?
The brown bit.
The brown bit. Cinnamon?
Oh yes, cinnamon.
Is that what you're talking about, or is it maybe a little bit of vanilla?
It's a little bit of vanilla there.
Yeah. That's good. Yummy. Well, I hope that doesn't spoil your life.